Panduit's TrueEdge vertical wall mount enclosure is a space-efficient way to deploy switch and server systems in an open architecture environment. It vertically mounts up to 36 inches of active equipment in compact spaces with a static load rating of 400 pounds. The TrueEdge enclosure can serve as its own micro data center or as a replacement for a telecommunications room. It also adds value in edge applications by moving equipment closer to the user. The enclosure has a modular design with a reversible door that provides easy access to equipment. The door can be fitted with an optional SmartZone secure access handle for added security. The adjustable brackets can be fastened to use either caged or tapped nut. Panduit also provides additional accessories for customization, including 1RU vertical patch panel brackets, 1RU bonus brackets, brush pass-through, and fiber manager spools. This enclosure has been tested to support up to 4,000 watts of generated heat without equipment failure in an ambient room temperature of 72 degrees. This thermal rating protects equipment and eliminates the risk of downtime for equipment failures due to long exposure to heat over time. The TrueEdge vertical wall mount enclosure is designed for the future of network connectivity innovations. It provides a secure, low-profile, scalable solution in environments where this wouldn't have been possible before. To find out more about TrueEdge vertical wall mount enclosures, visit panduit.com.